What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to access the WordPress theme files editor using block WordPress themes. So in the case that you are using normal WordPress themes or classic WordPress themes, like for example our Enzo WordPress theme, just like this and this, you can see into the WordPress appearance menu, under WordPress appearance menu, files like submenus like themes, patterns, customize, widgets, menus, and theme file editor. However, as soon as you change this classic WordPress theme to a block WordPress theme, like 2022 for example, where is located the theme files editor menu? Is no longer under appearance if you have your WordPress dashboard. Where is located? Just review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over tools, and you're gonna be able to see the plugin file editor and the theme file editor right here. Okay, as soon as you click, you're gonna be redirected to the theme files editor, and right here you can access the PHP codes of your theme with all of the options that the theme offers. For example, styles, patterns, templates, assets, all of the parts of the theme. Just remember, do a site backup before changing this, and only work into the section in the case that you really are familiar with code. Okay, simple, easy, and very effective. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth with 3ws.net and find a collaborator or Outreach right here. Okay. In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visual Modo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.